What is going on, lunatics? I'm bringing you a hot off the press update here. I can't believe this is going on. This is actually getting very, very wild right now. The US government is stepping in to fudge your bag. Like that's never happened before. Anyway, if you like this content, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button. And in the comment section down below right now, let me know, what do you think of the US government? Do you think the US government should be in your crypto bag, or do you think they should not be in your crypto bag? And do they have a right in this instance to be upset or complain about what is going on at Terra Luna Classic? So here's what's going on. Let's check this out real quick. The Terra Classic price recovery rally hiccups as LUNC meets key barrier amid USTC related hype. Now, the hype is related to this. Trader QT yesterday, we talked about this. I can confirm that today, in an initial strategic investment, Luna Classic Labs has purchased approximately 25.6 million USTC at 500K in accordance with its Treasury Reserve policy at an average price of approximately 2.1 cents per USTC, which caused it to immediately spike 300%. That got people really, really, really excited. And then this happened right afterwards. Luna Classic Labs received a message from U.S. regulators containing cease and desist actions regarding the USTC investment. This was a shock to the ecosystem, which committed to seeking legal advice on resolving it. Notwithstanding, both LUNC and USTC networks remain committed to growth. So what you've got right now is you've got the U.S. government stepping in to try to FUD your bag because they're deciding what you can and cannot invest as a business. This is getting just a little bit awkward and a little bit wild. Now, the question would be, where is Luna Classic Labs located? Now, if it is in the United States, and the United States is trying to prove that it's somehow that Luna Classic or Terra are securities in some way, maybe you can make an argument at that point. But it would seem to me that this is an attempt to stop the building on the network. Now, I'm not sure if that's the case, but it's a little bit weird. It's odd, right? So let's take a moment here and kind of go over the rest of the stuff here. We got no real new discussions coming up on Commonwealth. When you Cryptonomy.finance is what you need. Cryptonomy Ventures right now, they support forward-thinking entrepreneurs and propel the crypto Web3 ecosystem forward, supporting Cryptonomy's mission to empower global economic freedom. If you are interested in this, then click Get Funding, and then you can get started right away. Previously, we talked about our flexible spending, and we were going to make some deposits. So I'm going to make a few deposits right here. We're going to do Bitcoin. I'm going to throw, let's do it. Why not? And we're going to do 12-month staking. 76.9% is the fixed rate. Now, in the event that you want to enable monthly interest, we do this right here. That changes the dynamic here to 56%. I don't need it, so I'm just going to take this and I'm going to hit continue here. And I'm going to agree to the terms and conditions, and we're going to go ahead and stake that. Let's stake a little bit with Quant right here. We're going to use ETH because I've got a little bit of ETH on the sideline over here. We're going to use our max ETH 1.29. We're going to put that in for another 12 months on Quant as well. Go. Let's pop in here on some Tether Gold and see what happens there. We've got a little bit of XRP in the wallet. Let's convert a little bit of XRP over here into Tether Gold right now. We're going to pop that in right now. Read the terms and conditions, and we are done. All right, now we're gonna pop in a Tether here. We got 4,300 bucks in Tether. We're gonna pop in max right here, 59.6%. Now you might be noticing the percentage right there is not as great. Well, this is a stable coin, so the rate of return on that was going to be just a little bit less. We're gonna hit continue on that one. Boom. We are now holding Tether as well. So we've got a whole bunch over here. Now we're going to come over here. I'm going to hit refresh right here. These are all my holdings right now. I've got a little bit staked. You saw me do that before. Put a little bit in here before. Much better on XRP, Ethereum, and then, of course, this is in the fixed rate category, but very good rates right there. You can see that those are some really, really juicy rates. Finally, over here, if you want the big returns right here, it is all about the Launchpool. So if you haven't already, go check out the Launchpool. Launchpool's got some great returns, great yields. All you have to do is create a contract. The investments are going to start paying themselves off. So make sure that you guys are checking this out. Links are in the description down below. Look at the price action right now. The reversal here, and I'm looking at the 1 hour chart right now. We've come under the 50 SMA. Now, that's not a great sign, but we did get a quick bounce and rally. And a lot of this came down from the entire market was capitulating, and we were seeing just a bold move to the downside yesterday from Bitcoin, from all of the major tokens and coins involved. So it could be that this was just the market reacting, and we've got the head and shoulders pattern formed over here, which would have been a signal or could have been a signal of further downside to the 200. But we didn't get that. We got a bounce and a reversal. So I want to posit here. That's a really good sign. That's that we the reversal here to break out of that head and shoulder pattern, the Batman, if you will. That's a good sign. That's a very good sign that maybe a recovery is imminent. Now, if we don't come back over this 50 and break that zero one more time, then we could be looking at significant and further downside. But I think that it should be noticeable that we are in an uptrend for right now, and we'll keep you informed as best we can about what is happening there. Now, when you look at USTC, you're seeing basically the same pattern sort of play out right now. People are a little bit leery on that. Again, this didn't play out in the same pattern. You got the head and shoulders kind of playing out, and you got the Batman on it again, but we're not getting this. It's the same thing. We're not getting the same thing. We're getting a reversal in a positive direction, which is a good sign. That's exactly what you want to see, because that signals upward momentum. That signals bullish price action. We're wearing the bears out. Now, a quick expectation of levels. I'm going to go back over here to LUNC. I would venture to say that we're probably looking at 11.2. Remember, 11,290 I think is a big resistance point. So I think we'll probably see the rally back up there. And for USTC, it is possible that we see a rally back to 6.5 cents pretty soon. That's going to be that 38.2 line. Over here on governance, we've got nothing really other than the sequence mismatch resolution, which made the pass threshold. So nothing's changed there. The overall market, kind of looking at it, volume way up, but the price, of course, way down. 285 million in volume for USTC, 1 billion, I'm sorry, for Luna Classic, and then 1 billion for USTC. The FOMO's kicking in. The people are getting excited. So now it's just a matter of what do we do about the U.S. government trying to intercede here. When I find out a little bit more information about this, I will get back to you guys and let you know what is going on and why the U.S. government is attacking Luna Classic Labs and telling them, no, you cannot make profit. You're not allowed to make profit in any way for any means, because we're the U.S. government and we own and control you, or whatever it is that they say. Now, if you remain bullish on Luna Classic and USTC, make sure you leave a comment down below. And remember, this is not financial advice. My name's Bleav. I am always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again very, very soon.